Good morning, all of you. I am Trapti Jain from BSc B.Ed third year from College Kautilya Mahila Shikshan Prashikshan Mahavidyalaya. Today we are starting our topic thermal properties of solid from subject physics. So let's start. First topic is elastic waves. The waves which propagate in solid, liquid and gas are known as elastic waves. They are of both type, longitudinal and transverse. So they need medium to propagate. The shape of these waves are plane, cylindrical and spherical. When these waves propagate in electromagnetic material, then there is no charge, no change in the structure of state of material. So we understand our elastic wave. Now let's start our next topic, 1D equation of elastic waves. Since we know that the 1D equation of elastic waves are as follows. As we know, we earlier have known that the equation 1. So let's read that. Del square psi upon del x square equals to 1 upon v square del square psi upon del t square. Okay. Now the solution of equation 1 is psi is equals to a exponential की power iota omega t plus kx and mention it as equation 2. On differentiating equation 2 with respect to x. So now we will differentiate it. So del psi upon del x equals to a e iota kx minus omega t into ki. Now again differentiating, del square psi upon del x square equals to minus k a e iota kx minus omega t k into k, as negative signs will come because of iota. Now mention it at 3. Third equation. On differentiating equation 2 with respect to t, del psi upon del t equals to a e की power iota kx minus omega t and multiply minus omega t. Again differentiating, del square psi upon del t square equals to a e iota kx minus omega t and minus omega square. So now del square psi upon del t square equals to minus k omega square psi. As how this comes, as we know the value of psi from the previous equation, we have put that value of psi in equation 4. Now we are putting equation 4 and equation 3 in equation 1. That will gives you minus k square psi equals to 1 upon v square minus k omega square psi. Now v square equals to omega square, k square will come because psi and psi will cancel out and minus will cancel out. Now v equals to omega by k and mention that equation as equation 5. As we know, phase velocity Vp equals to omega by k and it is represent phase velocity, and group velocity Vg equals to d omega by dk. Now we will starting our next topic, phonon. The energy packet of sound, that is known as phonon. When two or more atoms of different masses are in unit cell of crystal in which one is optical mode and another one is vibrational mode, then the wave propagate in these medium carry energy and momentum. According to the quantum mechanics, the quantization of energy in these mode can be done in the same way as it is done in the case of light. As we know, the packets of light are photon and the packet of sound are known as phonon. So vibrational frequency of phonon is 10 की power 4 Hz to 10 की power 3 Hz. Now the characteristics. The characteristics is velocity of phonon. Phonon is moved with the velocity of sound while photon will move with the velocity of light. Velocity of solid is greater than velocity of liquid and is greater than velocity of air. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.